tell us more about different aggregates for concretes and experiments that you have done or seen so interesting on what might be possible here?
Right. So we have experimented with cork granules. So as you know, cork is a very interesting material because it has a very acoustic and thermal insulation properties, while performing very well in terms of fire protection, and even has a good compressive strength. So by using cork, you can actually develop structures that are lighter and have a greater insulative properties. We have also experimented with expanded clay granules with more or less with the same goal of decreasing the weight of the structure and improving insulation properties. And our colleague Shadi Nazarni has been working with the transition between concrete and glass. So that means that we will be able to have windows with no window frames, with no joints. So it will save in terms of there will be no leaks in terms of energy, in terms of there will be increased air tightness and water tightness, and obviously fewer pathologies because it's a complete integrated. For in environments like the moon or Mars, where you have to build a completely sealed structure, that's a very important advantage. So for Earth, I think the use of glass can also be useful in many ways when you don't need to open a window. So you can actually have a window with no window frame, so a complete transition between the concrete and glass. So there are many advantages to this.
Just quick question, which one do you think is further along to being reality, using glass as aggregate or cork?
So cork can be used now. So we are using it already, so that's something that's, it's a material that's available. We have developed a software to customize the design of building parts, and we have developed software to control the machine. So basically what we have in that case is two machines. One has concrete with sand aggregates. The other one has concrete with cork as the aggregate. And by changing the relative speed of the pumps, you can actually change the gradient of cork, the amount of cork in the concrete, and actually have the right composition at the right spot in space, to achieve the high performance of these building elements. With glass, we have been able to do it with molding, and we are trying to do it with 3D printing as well. So that's, will take a few more years.